Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, the place where we turn houses into homes you absolutely adore. Today, we're taking a trip to the sunny shores of Spain to explore the captivating world of Spanish-style house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Spanish-style architecture, also known as Spanish Colonial or Mission Revival, draws its inspiration from the Spanish colonization of the Americas. Think sun-baked adobe, red tile roofs, arched doorways, and wrought iron accents. It's a style that evokes warmth, romance, and a sense of history. It's not just a look, it's a feeling. It's about creating spaces that are both beautiful and functional, designed to thrive in warm climates. Well, there are tons of reasons why choose Spanish-style house design. First, it's timeless. This style has been around for centuries and continues to be incredibly popular. It's also incredibly adaptable. You can go full-on historic or incorporate modern elements for a contemporary twist. Plus, these homes are built for indoor-outdoor living, perfect for enjoying those sunny days. And let's be honest, they're just stunning. How to design my Spanish-style house to look good? Here are some key elements to consider. First, roofing. Red clay tile roofs are iconic. They provide excellent insulation and add to the overall aesthetic. Second, walls. Stucco is the go-to material for exterior walls, creating a smooth, textured finish. Third, arches and curves. Think arched doorways, windows, and passageways. Curves add softness and visual interest. Fourth, wrought iron. Use it for window grills, balconies, light fixtures, and gates. It adds a touch of elegance and old-world charm. Fifth, courtyards and patios. These are essential for creating that indoor-outdoor flow. Add a fountain, some potted plants, and you've got your own little oasis. Sixth, color palette. Earthy tones like warm whites, beiges, browns, and terracotta are classic. Add pops of color with vibrant tiles or textiles. Seventh, flooring. Tile or hardwood floors are common choices. Consider using patterned tiles for a touch of Spanish flair. Eighth, landscaping. Lush greenery, drought-tolerant plants, and terracotta pots complete the look. The best facade incorporates those classic elements we just talked about. Stucco walls, a red tile roof, arched windows and doorways, maybe a wrought iron balcony, and some carefully placed landscaping. The key is balance and proportion. You want the facade to be inviting and visually appealing. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, here these some collection of the top 10 stunning Spanish-style house design ideas. 1. Classic Mission Revival. Embrace the traditional with thick stucco walls, simple arched openings, and a prominent bell tower. 2. Modern Spanish farmhouse. Blend rustic elements like exposed beams and natural wood with clean lines and modern finishes. 3. Coastal Spanish retreat. Incorporate lighter colors, natural textures, and large windows to maximize ocean views. 4. Spanish hacienda estate. Create a grand and luxurious feel with sprawling courtyards, ornate details, and lush landscaping. 5. Small Spanish cottage. Perfect for cozy living, featuring charming details like a small courtyard and a flower-filled balcony. 6. Mediterranean-inspired Spanish. Blend Spanish elements with influences from other Mediterranean countries, like Greece or Italy. 7. Desert oasis Spanish. Adapt the style to arid climates with drought-tolerant landscaping and cooling features like thick walls and shaded patios. 8. Urban Spanish townhouse. Bring the Spanish style to the city with a vertical design, incorporating balconies and rooftop terraces. 9. Spanish Colonial Revival. Embrace the elegance and formality of the colonial era with symmetrical designs and refined details. 10. Contemporary Spanish Fusion. Mix modern architectural elements with traditional Spanish features for a unique and stylish look. So, there you have it. A deep dive into the enchanting world of Spanish-style house design. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for some inspiration, I hope this video has given you some great ideas. Remember to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design tips and tricks. After this, we will provide you gallery of best Spanish-style house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.